Welcome back. We're going to take a quick look at Shiba Inu coming in at number 12. So for Shiba Inu against USDT, yeah, nothing much has been happening for the weekly. Last week we closed with a shooting star. Week before, something like a shooting star. Not exactly, but yeah, there's just nothing much happening in the markets at the moment. And yeah, it goes the same. I mean, the same goes to Shiba Inu, right? You can pull resistance line down right over here. You can pull it down here again, and so I think potentially we could already be out. We may not even hit our targets over here. So there is a mixture. There's a mixture of a mixture of potential trends, right? Shiba Inu. Okay, if you look at it over here, Shiba Inu, we're down the channel, we're out of the resistance. We retrace back towards the support. Resistance once broken becomes support. So we are resting at the support right now. Could we still go all the way back down? Yeah, sure, of course. But we're out of the falling channel. So by right, not by right, but more likely than not, we could be making preparations to go back higher. Yep. And this whole thing could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh, right. So again, we are not too sure, but this looks like another falling channel to me as well. So Shiba Inu might, might see a move towards the upside. I think it could though. I think it could. So I am not too sure about that. Let me just check. Yeah, I say a lot of shit. So I need to recognize. I need to write down the shit that I talk about. So SHIB's final target is just so low. That's right. We were saying that it's just so low on September 20th. Then a week later, we were saying that baby rally on SHIB. There's a baby rally here. Yeah, that came. Baby rally. And after that, what happened? We got a shooting star. Right. But the shooting star didn't collapse, right? And we were so close to breaking the resistance. So there could be a return back up. Right. And if we were to return back up, could we get a very high quality type of a wave 2? Right. This whole thing could be a wave 1, come down for a 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes? We're not too sure. But looking at SHIB BTC, the only exchange that we have is actually on Bitfinex. If you look at SHIB BTC, this looks to me like a potential inverse head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, blast off. What? Yeah, so I feel like there could be some bullish moves coming on for SHIB against BTC. I have mixed emotions about Shiba Inu, so I'm not too sure about it. There are some bullish signs, as there are some bearish signs as well, right? If you were to look back in history, you will be able to see that previously there was a support line over here. There was a mountain range. We collapsed. Look at how low we collapsed, right? Again, I feel like the same thing could be happening here, right? Like a head and shoulders, right? And then a collapse back down. That's why we have the target for Shiba Inu at the bottom over here. Because of we're expecting the potential of history of repeating itself. So that's why we had a target for Shiba Inu. But of course we could be wrong. Once we drew it, once you put on your bullish lenses, and if you look at things in a bullish manner, then you will start seeing the bullish possibility. Yeah, but sometimes, when things are really bearish, and if you put on your bullish lenses, you still don't see it, then more likely than not, things would remain bearish, right? But if you put on your bullish lenses when things are bearish, and if you see something on the bullish side of the equation, then potentially there could be something coming on for Shiba Inu. But yeah, again, I'm not too sure myself. I can't, I'm not in a trade for SHIB at the moment. So yeah, it's either we see a super spike and then we consolidate here as the skinny pink line comes down and then we break back higher, or we establish the mountain range over here. We break out but then we come back down, right? Then we get a much bigger mountain range, a descending triangle maybe, and then after that we drop lower, right? Like a descending triangle here, we pop lower, right? So again, we're not too sure. Things just aren't really that clear at the moment for SHIB, but yeah, we are having mixed emotions, right? We are aware of the bullish possibilities for Shiba Inu, and we need time to tell us how things are going to play out, right? So normally as a trader, you only make a move once the chart pattern is kind of like 80 or 90% complete. Then only do you make a move, right? You can make a move now, but both possibilities still remain, as in we could still turn bearish, as we could also still turn bullish. So to open a short or open the long at this junction, right, it's a bit risky. So patience, give it more time, and hopefully we get more information to make a decision for Shiba Inu on whether to put on a trade or not. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Ta-ta!